Welcome to Data Tech Insights, your go-to channel for all things technology and data. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. In this beginner's guide, we'll unravel the mysteries of AI and explore its incredible potential. So, let's dive right in.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the science and engineering that empowers machines to simulate human intelligence. It's like giving them a digital brain capable of learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. AI has become a buzzword in today's world, revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we live and work. AI can be broadly categorized into two types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is designed to excel at specific tasks, such as playing chess or recognizing faces. On the other hand, general AI aims to match human intelligence across a wide range of activities. While general AI is still a work in progress, narrow AI is already making significant advancements in various fields. To truly understand AI, we must explore the power of machine learning. Imagine a computer program that can learn from vast amounts of data and improve its performance over time. That's exactly what machine learning enables. It's like having a digital apprentice that learns from experience, identifies patterns, and makes predictions. Machine learning is the backbone of AI, driving its capabilities and advancements. Within machine learning, deep learning stands out as a fascinating subset. It mimics the neural networks of the human brain, consisting of multiple layers of interconnected nodes. Deep learning enables AI systems to recognize objects, understand language, and even compose music. By unlocking the secrets of neural networks, deep learning has pushed the boundaries of AI to new frontiers. Now, let's explore the real-world applications of AI. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing the diagnosis of diseases, improving patient outcomes, and accelerating drug discovery. In finance, it optimizes investment strategies, detects fraud, and enhances customer experiences. Education, transportation, and countless other sectors are also harnessing the power of AI to drive innovation and efficiency. As we embrace the wonders of AI, we must also address its ethical considerations. Bias, privacy, and security are vital aspects that demand our attention. We must ensure that AI systems are unbiased, respect privacy rights, and prioritize data security. Responsible development and deployment of AI are essential to ensure a fair and safe future for everyone. We've covered the basics of artificial intelligence in this beginner's guide, unveiling its mind-boggling potential. By understanding the foundations of AI, you're ready to embrace the future and be part of its transformative journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Data Tech Insights for more captivating content on the latest technology trends. Together, let's unravel the mysteries of our digital world.